How would you like an absolute beginner knitting project that only takes 40 grams of scrap yarn and does not involve joining countless pieces? Try one with me. The ideal yarn is a chunky yarn, a self-strapping one or ombre. You need a 6.5 millimeters knitting needle. You need something to cut the yarn, and you need a tapestry needle to sew the two ends of the rectangle that we are going to knit at the end. You need very little yarn for this project. This is less than 40 grams. Let's cast on 16 stitches. 6, 7, 15, 16. Slip the first stitch and we knit from the second stitch to the end. When you finish, you switch the needles, you slip the first stitch, and then you knit all of the other stitch from the front to the back of the stitch, yarn over, pull it back towards you. Insert at the bottom, in the front, yarn over, pull it back towards you. And you just keep going until you reach the desired length for the earworm. The desired length should match the circumference of your head. And now we are going to cast off. Knit, go back to previous stitch, grab it, cross it over, and drop it. Okay, last stitch. You pull it, we can fasten off. Just cut. This is 50 centimeters, which is approximately 20 inches. You fold this in two, like this. Then fold in two in the width direction. I'll leave this on the outside, and the other half I'll sandwich it between the other two halves, and I'm going to make sure that I grab all the 4 layers. You can go with the whip stitch, which is probably the easiest one. I'm gonna knot the 2 ends. Now, if you trust that it won't come undone, you could even cut it here, which I think I'm gonna do so that we save a little bit of time. Or you can weave with your needle, you can weave the yarn in to hide it, but this is gonna be in the center of the back of the ear warmer, so nobody will see this. And it will not come undone. And voila, your ear warmer is ready. Isn't it lovely? And we did it in 1 hour and 12 minutes. Good job, us. I'm gonna try it on and show to you how it looks like when you wear it. And this is what it looks like when you wear it. What do you think? I love it. I love the colors, I love the shape, I love everything of it. I love how easy it is to make it, how quick it is to make it, how I can use the scrap yarn without having to come up with some genius projects. And it keeps you warm. Love it. Do you love it too? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more from me, please hit the like button and subscribe, and you will not miss any other video. Bye bye now. See you soon.